Hi guys, it's me, and today I'm going to show you how to make a dog. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get to it. So you have your piece of paper, and you can grab whatever color you like. You don't have to follow me. And everyone's drawing looks different, so you don't have to look the same as mine. So you need a pencil, a pen, or a marker. It doesn't matter, but you can pick. So you take it, you draw a man with no arms. See, like this. A man with no arms. I don't know if you can really see it. But no eyes, no nothing like that. Can you see? And then bees were chasing him. So you draw 3 bees on each side of him. And he couldn't shoo them away because he had no arms. See, and then there were bees chasing him. And then he jumped into the lake. See, he jumped in the lake. And then there was a mountain on top of the lake. See? And then there were 2 caves in there. And there were 2 bears hibernating in them. See? And then there was grass on top of the mountain. And then there were 2 waterfalls. And that's how you make a dog. It's really easy, isn't it? And I'm going to also teach you how to make a bear on the other side. So you draw a man with no arms, the same thing. And then it was raining because he couldn't hold an umbrella. This is what it looks like. See, and then it started raining. And then there was a cave that he went into. And then there were 2 other caves. He had to pick one, and it led all the way around to 2 other caves. And then that's how you make a bear. Yeah, it's easy. So your dog and your bear. Your dog and your bear. And you can decorate your bear. You can put color in. You can add pupils. You could color it like whatever color. I just added pupils. And I might add like another circle there and another circle there. And on my dog, I'm going to add like a collar. See? Now I'm done. I'll add like a little chain on it that says dog. Well, I didn't like it, so I scribbled it. See? And then on my bear, I added pupils and like little circles in the ears. You could do that too. And then you could add like little holes in the bear's nose, the nostrils. And if you liked my video of how to make a dog and a bear, then subscribe. And bye guys. If you liked my video of how to make a dog and a bear, like and subscribe. And leave a comment below of your drawing.